AERO Traveler series, starting with the ceramic six-pack Traveler. This is brand new for 2021, launching at SEMA 360. Aeroshield Flight is included in this. It's a 1-year ceramic coating. It's spray on, let it dwell, level it, let it dwell again and wipe off, but you'll get a full year out of it. The beautiful part about it is it's super concentrated, like all of our products, so you'll get about 10 to 12 uses out of this bottle, and it's only a 16-ounce bottle, so that tells you how far it goes. Next row, we've got our AERO Suds. Suds is a pH balanced car wash soap. It's a wet wash soap, so you can do a 2-bucket wash. You can use it in a foam gun. It only takes a cap full to make this product work, so it's not something you got to use half the bottle like some of the other stuff that you get. Over here we have the AERO Immaculate. It's a crystal clear interior cleaner. It's actually strong enough to cut tar and bugs on paint, but it's a crystal clear interior cleaner that's safe enough for silk, leather, wool, natural fibers, as well as synthetic fibers. So you can use it on your seats, you can use it on just about anything. It's a really unique product, but again, it being clear, it will leave no residue or stains. This product right here is View. It's our streakless window cleaner. Instead of spreading dirt around, it actually removes the dirt and allows the windows to dry up nice. It's safe for window tint as well. This is our water-based protective coating for tires. It's called Protect. It's a satin finish product, so there's very little gloss to it, but it's designed to embed itself in the sidewalls of the tires so it will not sling, and then after a period of time, you'll notice if you've used it a few times that it stays there for weeks on end. So you wash your vehicle, you don't even have to use this every single time. If you've washed your vehicle, if you used it say a few weeks ago, you probably don't even need it again until the next wash. Then we also include Finale. Finale is ceramic coating safe, works fantastic for a lot of different things. We use it on planes, we use it on gold fixtures, we use it on gloss covered products, laminates, all that stuff. But on your car, you can use it on a painted surface, you can use it on chrome, you can use it on plastics, you can use it on just about anything. It's a real universal cleaner, but it's also a quick detailer. So if your car is generally clean before you get to the show and you get there and there's dust and fingerprints or whatever, this will take them off in direct sunlight. In this travel bag, you'll also get a application pad for the ceramic coating here. You'll get a 600 GSM super plush microfiber polishing towel, which is awesome, and then 4 380 GSM towels, 2 for the interior, 2 for the exterior, or for your ceramic coating or whatever you want to do. All those items come in a nice travel bag. It's a cooler, it's AERO embroidered, it'll hold all these products and a couple of extra products too. If you want extra brushes in there or whatever, it works great. So that's the ceramic six-pack Traveler. Over here we have our mini six-pack, and this is a great item for the glove box, any small compartments. It includes a lot of the same stuff that you get in the ceramic six-pack, but it has Shine, which is a waterless wash and speed wax. It has Finale, which is the quick detailer that we talked about over here. It's got Immaculate, which is the interior cleaner. It has Away, which is a vegetable-based degreaser. Works fantastic for removing oil residue, grease, grime, any of that stuff. Also works to break down tar. It's safe enough to use as a hand cleaner, so in a pinch, if you're stuck on the side of the road, your hands are dirty, you can get this kit out, wash your hands with the Away. View, which is our window cleaner. And we also have Spot, which is a protein-based stain remover, all in this little six-pack. This also comes with a mini microfiber towel just to throw in there to kind of bail you out of any jams. Comes with a brochure, and it's all sealed up in this nice little travel kit. So that's really handy to use. The other six-pack, this is our traditional six-pack, and this came out in 2014. It won runner-up best new product at SEMA 2014. Unfortunately, we were beat out by a much larger company, which is pretty cool just to be in the mix. You'll notice that as far as SEMA awards go, we're the only car care company that's really won any awards there in the last several years, which is kind of cool to say. In this kit, it has the Immaculate interior cleaner. It's got the Finale quick detailer. It also has the Shine waterless wash and speed wax. It comes with a window cleaner, the View. It comes with Protect, the water-based tire protection. and it comes with Away, which is our vegetable-based degreaser. Again, safe enough as a hand cleaner, but yet will cut some of the most stubborn stains and grease. This kit also comes with the same towels that are in the ceramic 6-pack. So it comes with the 600 GSM microfiber polishing towel. It comes with the two 380 GSM white interior towels, and comes with two 380 GSM black interior towels. Both those towels are edgeless, super high quality towels, and then with that polishing towel, it's a great kit. Best part is you can zip it up and carry it away. This is our 7-year ceramic coating kit. In this kit, you've got our Aeroshield diamond ceramic coating, which will cover up to 800 square feet, so you can do a full-size car 3 times, no problem. It comes with the Aeroshield Hydro top coat product, which you can use as a maintenancer, or you can use it as a top coat with your Aeroshield diamond. It also comes with Eject, which is your decontamination spray. It comes with a foam block, and comes with 3 mini suede microfiber towels for applying the Aeroshield diamond. There's also instructions, a brochure, where to reorder, warranty information. Everything's included in this kit. It comes in a nice little embroidered bag, zipper bag for safekeeping, and you know what's in there because it's stored just about anywhere. Anyway, that's the Aero Traveler series. You got the Aero 6-pack Travelers, you got the Aero Ceramic 6-pack, Mini 6-pack, and ceramic kits. Thanks for visiting us at SEMA 360.